Okay, Miss London. We've been reading Anna and the Magic Coat, and some of the words that you're going to see again in this story have to do with words that have the bossy R. Do you remember that rule?
Mm-hmm.
In spelling sometimes, the bossy R?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to read this word. What is this word?
Tune.
What's this T say?
On.
On. Okay,
Ton.
so what's the word?
Ton.
Turn. Okay, like if I were driving a car and I would turn my car to the left. So here, the R is the bossy R. So when you have a bossy R next to a vowel, the vowel kind of changes its sound. So instead of saying two separate sounds, we only hear one sound. Okay? What about this word? See if you can pick out what the bossy R is doing in this word. What's that word?
Hot. Hot.
Hot.
Hot.
Okay, so hurt, like I hurt my finger on a nail. Okay, so say the sound for me. And is kind of hard for you because of that R sound, isn't it? Yeah, and you work with that with Miss Bowden, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want you to turn your book here, Anna and the Magic Coat, to page 5. Okay, start reading here at the top for me.
Uma tapped her chin. I wonder if you could. She remembered.
Oh, there's that R control sound, or that R controlled vowel sound, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at that word.
Mrs. Kane, telephone, Mrs. Kane.
Okay, so, and this is a kind of a longer, there's more than one syllable sound in this word, so it may be a little difficult. So I'm going to cover up this part of the word. What's this sound say? D. Okay, so we have a couple sounds here. We have the M sound, which says the UR, which says M. Good. So say it together.
Remembered.
Close. Murmured. That's a hard one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the R controlled vowel sound is a little more difficult. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and take this from you. We're going to practice doing that sound as much as possible today. I'm going to give you some words here. And I want you to read aloud this word for me first. What's this word?
Hot.
Hurt. Can you use it in a sentence for me?
Someone got hot.
Someone got hurt. What about this word?
Shot.
Shirt. Can you use it in a sentence for me?
I have a shot.
I have a shirt. Okay, I want you to separate them. If you notice, there's a UR here that we just practiced, but what's in here? Does shirt have UR? No. So the IR still has the sound because the R is controlling the I vowel sound. So there's more ways than just using the UR to make the sound, isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead and I want you to pull these words down. I want you to read them aloud to me and put them either under the UR side or the IR side.
Turn.
Turn, good.
Fast. Thawed. Fast. Bop. Stopped.
Good. Glad you changed that there.
Apple.
Mm-hmm. You did a good job with the sound in turtle.
Scott.
Good. Churn. Good.
Nurse.
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 Good.
Apple. Up.
There you go. Good.
Girl. Disturb.
Good. Disturb. That was a tough one.
Squeal.
Squirrel.
Soft.
And serve.
Sata.
What's that? IR says Good. Stir. Okay. Now that you have these kind of sorted out, choose a couple words, and I want you to say the word, and then I want you to put it in a sentence.
Ton. I ton there.
Okay.
Purple. I love purple.
You love purple. Okay. Do 2 on this side.
Shirt. I wear a shirt.
I wear a shirt.
Fast. I was in fast place.
Good. Now, in thinking of, we know that the bossy R makes the vowel kind of say a different sound. We have a UR, which says We have IR, which says Can you think of other vowels that it does that with?
ER and
ER and AR.
And
What about OR?
OR.
Maybe OR. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to have you. I want you to really try and think of that sound, because I know that it's a difficult sound for you to make, but you're doing a good job. I have a short little story for you to read to me, and a lot of these words are going to have that sound. So when you see words that have that, either the IR or UR, maybe ER, I want you to try and think before you say it. Try and make that sound for me. Okay?
The bird sat on a branch of a brick tree.
Birch tree. And that's just a type of tree.
Burst into song with a chop, chop, chop. He disturbed.
Good. Disturbed.
A squirrel perched nearby. The squirrel was in a fir tree.
In a fir tree. Okay, so I'm going to have you stop there, and I want you to pick up your highlighter. I want you to highlight those words that have that sound. Good. Okay, good job. You found all of them. So let's go back and reread them together. Bird, birch, burst, chirp, chirp, chirp. disturb, squirrel, nearby. Okay, does that say
Mm-mm.
No, it's an AR that you saw that was stuck together, but it does not actually have that sound that we've been chewing, does it? So I'm going to underline that one for you. Squirrel, fur. Good. Okay. We're going to practice looking at kind of some spelling. And I'm going to let you use your whiteboard here. And here's an eraser for you. Okay. I want you to listen to my sounds that I say when I give you a word. And I want you to think about what sounds you hear. Think about that R-controlled vowel sound. And spell the words for me on your board. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your first word I want you to spell is bird. Very good. B-I-R-D. So say those sounds for me.
D.
Good. Write the word burst. The firecracker burst into flames. Good. B-U-R-S-T. You have all those sounds. Say the sounds for me.
B-R-S-T.
Good. Okay, what about swirl? I saw the wind swirl beneath my feet. Okay, do you have the sw?
Oops.
What letter did you forget?
W.
Yeah, okay, so this is kind of one sound. This is a blended sound. Swirl. Good job. Let me give you one more. What about purple? You said you like purple. Very good. P-U-R-P-L-E. So say the sounds.
P-R.
And we don't hear that E, do we? No. All right, good.